Hey folks, it's Sean McCormick, and this is just a super quick video. I'm not even going to bother putting an intro or anything like that. I'm going to talk about a way that you can use your 10x filters or your 6x filters to do an interesting bit of combination of stuff. So here's a normal exposure and here's a 10x exposure. So you can see we got extremely stretched clouds, but what's happening in the water is nice. Now, I was only testing it. I got a new filter holder, so I was just out running out, and this was like the day before yesterday. It was the first chance I had to use it. So I didn't even get a chance to use it yesterday. So what I'm doing is I'm just showing very quickly this idea. So we're going to combine these two. So I'm going to come up here to Photo, Edit in, and open as layers in Photoshop, which is down the bottom. And this will combine the two images inside Photoshop. So they're just going to open inside Photoshop. Here we go. And there's doing the load layers and all of that kind of stuff. So we have the two of them as layers, or we will have in a second when we're finished. There we go. So we have the clean sky, as I call it. Now, this one is a little bit underexposed because I did open up the exposure for this one by a stop. So this is like a stop underexposed, but that's fine. So what we're actually going to do is, this is the top layer, which is great. What we're going to do is we're going to grab the marquee tool and we're just going to select the sky area here. We're just going to line up. This has got a good clean horizon, or a fairly clean horizon. So this is straightforward. And we're just going to take the mask tool. And what will that do is that then masks away the bottom. So it takes away the water. Okay, so we can see here that here's the difference between the two images. Now, if we wanted, we could do some work here. But what I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to grab a curves layer here very quickly. Boost up the middle, which is actually going to boost up the whole lot. But I should be able to just link it here to this one. So I'm holding down the Alt or Option key. And then hovering between the two layers. And if I click on that, it will clip it to that, so it'll only affect that layer and not the layer below. So we can see that it's only brightening just the sky. So that gives us basically a clean sky with our soft water in the background. So that is just a really quick trick that you can do for 10x filter processing.